I'm going to show you updates added to AMCDX Video Patcher 0.5.5, and the main update is reworked architecture of application. So previously the main requirement was that your CPU supports AVX second instruction set, but I had a couple requests and I started to consider rework application. And after Apple announced they will release new device based on ARM CPUs, I understood that it's time to rework everything, so to be ready for that change. And now it's reworked and it's gonna work on older CPUs as well as on ARM CPUs, even though ARM build not released yet, but upon request I can make it for you. And yeah, the second feature is position from keyboard. What I mean here is previously you had to click on the scrubber to find the exact frame you need or use shortcuts to position by frame, and it's really not user friendly. So now you can just click on timecode and type exact frame you need, press enter, and it got position here. It works. There is also was fixed bug with shortcuts in general. So previously if you use this spin box and I don't know, type any new coordinate and press enter, after that shortcuts became inactive, so you could not use them anymore. Now it's fixed, as you can see. And the last one, so you don't have to go to the web page to remind yourself shortcuts. Now you can just press help and show shortcuts, and now you see all shortcuts available now. Yep, that's it. Thank you guys.